Pasta alla Norma, a dish named for a masterpiece from Catania on the eastern shore of Sicily, where the eggplant has grown in volcanic soil beneath Mount Etna for 1,000 years. This is not a complicated dish. Eggplant, tomato, pasta, a little cheese. But simple is not the same as easy. Every step here asks for patience. The eggplant must be coaxed, not rushed. The sauce must be given time to thicken and to cling. Restaurants try to hurry it. Sicily never has. Servings. 4. 40 minutes to prepare. 30 minutes to cook. Total time, 70 minutes. 2 whole eggplant, cut into cubes. 4 cloves of garlic. Half a cup of olive oil. 28 ounces of whole San Marzano tomatoes. Kosher salt. A handful of fresh basil. Pasta, rigatoni, and ricotta salata, salted, pressed, and waiting to be grated like snow. First, the eggplant. Cut it into cubes, about 1 inch across. Scatter them in a colander and toss them with salt. Then wait 30 minutes. The salt draws the water out and softens the flesh, so the eggplant will drink less oil when it fries. When the time is passed, pat every cube dry. Now, the oil. Half a cup in a wide skillet over medium-high heat. Lay the eggplant in, only a few pieces at a time. Let them fry for about 8 minutes until every side is deep and golden and crisp. Do not crowd the pan. Lift each piece out with a slotted spoon onto paper to rest. Pour off most of the oil, leaving just 2 tablespoons behind. Lower the heat. Add the garlic and let it soften for 2 minutes until it turns gold, but never brown. Then the tomatoes. Crush them with your hands straight into the pan. Add a little more salt and bring it to the gentlest simmer. And now you wait 20 minutes. The sauce reduces slowly. The tomatoes fall apart and grow sweet. The kitchen fills with the smell of garlic and summer. There is nothing to do here but stir and listen and let time do the work that only time can do. While the sauce simmers, the pasta. Boil it in well-salted water until it is just short of tender. And before you drain it, save a cup of the cloudy, starchy water. Then lift the pasta into the sauce with a splash of that water and toss. The starch binds them. The sauce turns silken and clings to every ridge. Fold in most of the eggplant now, and half of the basil, then plate it without waiting. And over the top, the last of the crisp eggplant, torn basil, and a drift of ricotta salata, grated until it falls like snow. This is the moment the dish has been waiting for. History and cultural origins. The eggplant is a traveler. It came from far to the east, from India, and made its way west across the world. It reached Sicily more than 1,000 years ago, carried by the Arabs who ruled the island for 2 centuries. They planted it in the warm volcanic earth, and it has grown there ever since. But the name belongs to music. In 1801, in Catania, a composer was born, Vincenzo Bellini, and in 1831, he gave the world an opera called Norma. As the story is told, a Sicilian tasted this dish of eggplant and tomato and cried out that it was a real Norma, a masterpiece. The name stayed. And yet, the dish we know could not have existed for most of that history. The tomato is not old in Sicily. It crossed an ocean from the Americas only a few centuries ago. Before it arrived, there was no red sauce simmering on the island. The eggplant waited for a fruit from the other side of the world to complete it. Today, pasta alla Norma belongs to Catania, the way the mountain and the sea belong to it. It is the taste of a Sicilian summer, when the eggplant is heavy on the vine and the basil is sweet. It is cooked in homes and in small trattorias alike, a dish of quiet pride, plain and perfect. Serve pasta alla Norma warm, with a little more ricotta salata and the last of the basil, the way it has always been eaten. Pasta alla Norma is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived 1,000 years of empires and oceans. It survives because it was never trying to be impressive. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.